Are you an electric vehicle owner in Waltham? Knowing where and how to charge your EV can make all the difference in your driving experience. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Waltham EV charging stations, including common mistakes to avoid and answers to frequently asked questions. When searching for EV charging stations, there are several common mistakes that can lead to inconvenience and frustration. These include not checking the compatibility of your vehicle with the charging station, not considering the charging speed, ignoring the location and accessibility, not checking the availability, and overlooking the cost of charging. Let's dive into each of these mistakes and how to avoid them. One of the most common mistakes is not checking the compatibility of your vehicle with the charging station. Different EVs require different connectors and charging standards. To avoid this mistake, research the charging standards and connectors compatible with your EV model before heading to a charging station. Another mistake is not considering the charging speed of the station. Charging speeds can vary significantly from slow chargers to fast chargers. To ensure you get the charging speed that suits your needs, look for fast charging stations that can quickly recharge your vehicle, especially if you're in a hurry. Ignoring the location and accessibility of the charging station is another common error. It's important to choose charging stations that are conveniently located and easily accessible. This will save you time and make your charging experience more pleasant. Always plan your route and select stations that fit into your travel plans. Not checking the availability of the charging station can lead to unnecessary delays. Use EV charging apps or websites to check the availability of stations in advance. This way, you can avoid arriving at a station only to find it occupied or out of service. Overlooking the cost of charging at the station is a mistake that can add up over time. Charging costs can vary between stations. To avoid overspending, compare the charging costs at different stations and choose the most cost-effective option. Some stations may offer free charging while others require payment. Now let's address some frequently asked questions about Waltham EV charging stations. How do you find them? You can visit our website or use EV charging apps. What types of connectors are supported? Waltham stations support CHAdeMO, CCS, and Type 2 connectors. Are they free to use? Some are free while others require payment. How long does it take to charge? It depends on the charger type and your vehicle's battery capacity. Can you reserve a spot? Some stations allow reservations, others are first come, first served. Are they available 24/7? Most stations are. Do they offer fast charging? Yes, they do. Is customer support available? Absolutely. Can you pay with a credit card? Yes, most stations accept credit cards. How can you report a problem? Contact us through our website or customer support number. Make every stop count by choosing our state-of-the-art EV chargers for a greener future. For more information, visit our website at walthamevchargers.com or call us at 781-208-8731. Thank you for your interest in Waltham EV charging stations.